Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of CS Card Spin to Win add-on. With the help of this add-on, you can create many games and can put them on any page of your storefront and can make your storefront more interesting for the customers in terms of view as well as for the use there. So if I tap here on this particular spin to win that I've set up on the homepage of the CS Card web store, you can see the particular spin to win game is visible for the customers there. Now it is an extremely interactive add-on striving to attract customers by providing them a unique spin wheel game technique to avail the offers on their shopping, and it ensures that your customers will stay longer and spend more time on your website, thus boosting the sales and more revenue generation. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of this particular add-on, that's the CS Card Spin to Win add-on, and I'll be showing you the workflow at the customer's end and the rest of the workflow at the admin's end thereafter. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that we have set up the spin to win game on the homepage of the CS Card web store there. And if I tap here on the spin to win, we'll have this particular pop-up. Now you can customize the background image that you can see that has these numbers like 12, 19, 31. And you can also set up the spin win stopper here. As you can see just to the left of this, enter your email, you can see that we have this spin win stopper here. So you can set up the image for the same as well, and the image that you can see in the center as well. Now to play the game, what the customer needs to do is he needs to enter his email address, and then he can tap on the button that you can see here, that's the click here to spin. Now you can customize the text that you can see here, that's the spin and win, while you're creating a particular game, and you can set up the description that would be visible to the customers on this spin to win game itself. Now let's enter the email address here, and after that let's tap here on the click here to spin button. So you can see that the spinner is spinning up and we are lucky. If you want, you can check the terms and conditions by tapping here on the terms and conditions as well. Now after we have won, you can see that hooray, you have won. And after winning this particular game here, if I tap here on the terms and conditions, I can find the promotion details or the promotion that I have basically won. So here you can see that the condition is if the price is greater than or equal to 300, then the discount value would be 150 there for the same. And we can make use of the promotion as a coupon code there. So the name is promotion 4, and this would be the coupon code that can be applied into the cart there to get a discount of $150 there itself. So that's how this particular spin to win game works at the storefront. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel and let me show you what are the different options that the admin gets in the admin backend panel for this particular add-on, that's the CS Card Spin to Win add-on. For that, let me take you to the admin backend panel first, and let's log into the admin backend panel by entering the email and the password and tapping on the sign in button. So the very first thing that I want to show you is the initial configuration settings. For that, what we need to do is we need to navigate through add-ons and manage add-ons. And here I'll be searching for spin to win. So it basically helps in business announcement by giving customers amazing features for this spin to win game there. So after the successful installation of this spin to win add-on, you'll find this particular add-on in this particular section under the installed add-ons. So you have to tap here on the settings option, and this would bring up this spin to win configuration, wherein you can set up the number of times a registered user can play the game and the number of times a guest user can play the game as well. So as per the settings that you have set up, the registered or the guest users would be able to play the game according to the number of times that you have entered here. After that, just tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings. Now after the successful installation of this particular add-on, you will find the spin to win option under marketing, and under marketing you have to navigate to spin to win. Under there you'll find three different options. One is the dashboard, promotions, and the games. Let's go to the dashboard first. Let me open it up in another window there. So here you can see that the total spins that have been made are 2. Promotion or the coupon codes used to place the order is 0. So if as we won a particular promotion there, or the coupon code, if I would have applied it on a particular order, or if I would have placed an order using the same, then that particular count would have been registered here under the promotion coupon used to place the order. Spins of registered users, spins of guest users. So we placed the spin as a guest user there, that's why it's showing the count as 2. Here you can see the user type, the email, total spins, success spins, and the coupon wins. Here you can see that we have the guest user and the total spins was 1. The success spins and the coupon wins was the promotion for coupon code was basically won by this particular guest user with this particular email address itself. So from here what you can do is you can add the promotions as well if you want, but let me take you to the spin and win section, and let's go to the promotion section. Now in the promotion section you will be able to create different promotions. Right now these are disabled, you can enable them up as well as per your own requirement there, and you can create different promotions as well with different conditions that would be applicable there on the particular promotions that you would create. To create a particular promotion, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the promotions option. Otherwise, if you want to delete any of them, you can basically go and edit or delete any of the promotions, or you can select and delete it from here as well. Here you can see the name of the promotion, the validity of the promotion, the status, whether active or disabled. And to add a promotion, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the add promotion button. This would bring up the 3 sections here. One is the general, wherein we have the name of the promotion. Then we have the detailed description, short description, use availability period, available from and till values, the priority, whether you want to stop other rules from applying or not, the status of the particular promotion that you're going to create, and an option. If you check this option, then you can basically make this promotion for this spin to win game there. Then coming to the conditions, here you will be able to set up the conditions basically, and you can add the conditions by tapping here on the add condition, and you can choose the condition from the available options that you can see here, and accordingly you can create the conditions as per your own requirement there. Then coming to the bonuses, you can add the bonuses as well if you want. Now let me take you back and let me take you to the promotion section, and let me edit one promotion that I've already created, like the spin to win promotion, and let me edit it up. After editing it up, you can see that I've set up the name, use availability period. I've checked this option to make this promotion for the spin to win. Then coming to the condition, I've set the condition as if the product price is greater or equal to $50, and then under the bonuses I've set the discount as fixed for $10 there. So if this condition is met, then this particular discount would be applicable there for the promotion that we have created, like the spin to win promotion. So if the customer wins the spin to win, then if the product price in the cart that he adds is equal or greater than $50, then he'll be receiving a fixed discount of $10 there. So that's how we can easily create the promotions by navigating to marketing, and under marketing we can go to the promotions, and here we can create the particular promotions that we want to create as per our own requirement there. Now the last option that we have here after the dashboard promotions is the game. Now under the game you will be able to create the particular game. So we have already created the spin and win game. Now if I take you back to the front end, here we were using this spin to win game. Here you can see the name of the game as well within the box here, that's spin to win, and this is the actual way of the spin to win game. Now coming back, if you want to add a new game, you can tap here on the add game button. If you want to delete a previously created game, you can select that up and choose delete. Otherwise you can also delete it by tapping here and tapping on the delete option. Now for this particular demo, let me show you the one that we have already created, the game named spin and win, and let me edit it up. After editing it up, you can see that we have the general section and the promotion section. Under the general section we have to set up the different sections. Here you can see the logo image that we were able to view at the storefront. This was the background image, this was the stopper image. And after setting these options here, then we have the promotions. Under the promotions we have to select the promotion, set the heading, and this is the message to be displayed for the selected promotion inside the wheel. And then you have to set up the message that is to be displayed when the wheel stops on this particular promotion, and you can choose the slice color and the font color there as well. So for each of these slices that you can see here, for each of the slices you can see here, you can set up the color, the background color, the font color, and you can choose the promotion for each of the particular slices as well. Now coming back to this particular section here, under the general, I've given the name as spin to win, so that's why this particular name is visible on the front end. This was roll the spin to win the prize, was the actual game message that we saw before playing the game, if you remember. The slices on the wheel were 5. So if I take you here we have 3 and 2, 4, 5 slices. This is the image that we have uploaded there. If you can see here, if I scroll down, here's the logo image within the circle there. Now after setting up the slices on the wheel, you can set up the outer radius, and here you have to set the spin wheel outer radius of the circle, and you can enter the values between 130 pixels to 200 pixels. The default value is 200 pixels there. You can set up the inner radius of the inner circle, set up the font size of the inner circle text, font size of the promotion label, the background of the color of the pop-up, the stroke color, border color of the outer radius, the border slice radius, border color of the inner circle can be chosen as per your own requirement there. The inner circle radius, select the width of the inner circle, whether you want to have the inner circle as a logo. If you want to have it as a logo, then this logo would appear there in the center. Otherwise you can make use of the text as well. So if I uncheck this, I can select text and I can enter the text, then this particular text would be visible here within this particular small circle that we can see within the center of this particular spin to win game. For now, let's uncheck this and let's select the logo. Then we have the background image. This was the background image that we saw. Right now also you can see the background image is there in the spin to win there itself. Then we have user groups. So here you can choose whether you want to have it to be used, this game to be used by the guest user, registered users, or the guest users as well as the registered users as per your own requirement there. After setting these up, you can go to the promotions, and for each of the slice you can set up the heading, the message, the slice color, and you can choose the promotions from the drop down as per your own requirement there. You can also tap here on the preview option to preview how it would appear. So this is the text that we set up: spin and win, roll the spin to win the prize. Here's the email section, and here's the button to click here to spin as well. So yes, that was much about the CS Cards spin to win add-on, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how you can attract customers by providing a unique spin to wheel gaming technique to avail the offers on their shopping cart for the customers, and how it ensures that your customers will stay longer and spend more time on your website, thus boosting the sales and more revenue generation there. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements regarding this particular add-on, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvides.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.